Welcome to the SilenceIT e-learning video tutorial on how to write a blog post in WordPress. This tutorial will go over the rich text editor and some of its buttons. To create a new post, I'm going to click the New Post button at the top, or I could also click the Add New button located on the left. And there are many things that you can do to add personality and character to your blog posts using the rich text editor. I'm going to use a previous blog that I've written, so I'm going to use the Paste from Word button to paste in the content. I could either work in a larger area by clicking the full screen toggle mode, or I could just resize the rich text editor. I'm also going to add a title to my blog by typing in color theory in the title text box. And since my blog is on color theory, I want to add color to my blog, so I'm going to change the first paragraph to the color cyan. To save space on the summary page, I'm going to insert a more tag, and anything that appears above the dotted line and the more word will appear as my introduction. This will allow the reader to see the introduction to my blog post. There's also a continue reading button, which allows the reader to continue on. Now my blog is composed of small, brief definitions, but I want to expand on monochromatic. So I'm going to highlight the word monochromatic and click the Insert Edit Link button. I'm going to copy and paste the URL in the link URL text box, and I'm also going to have the link open in a new window. Now I'm going to enter content in the title text box because this will appear whenever you roll over the link. And if I want to remove that link, I just highlight the word and click the Unlink button. And what's great about this is that you can also insert or edit an embedded media. Now I'm going to grab a video from YouTube on color theory, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL, and I'm going to paste it into the file URL text box. And as you can see, the dimensions fill in by themselves, and there is a preview of that video in the preview box. I'm going to go ahead and click the Advanced tab to make sure that the autoplay is unchecked, because this can annoy the viewer because the video will start on its own. And I'm also going to make sure that the video aligns to the left. At the end of my blog post, I like to add the SilenceIT logo. There are 4 icons located above the rich text editor that allow you to upload various media to your blog, and they also bring up a very similar window with different options. I'm going to click the Insert Image button. I'm going to click Select Files, and I will select the image that I want. Then I'm going to click the button Insert into Post. And as you can see, I have the image located at the bottom of my page. Before I post my blog, it's always a good idea to check the spell check. So I'm going to go ahead and select English and spell check my entire blog. I can also right-click on a word, and spell check will give me some suggestions on how to spell the word correctly. Thanks for watching the Rich Text Editor e-learning video, and check out more at www.youtube.com/SilenceIT.